In this video, we are going to take a look at how to play the E minor chord in open position. All 6 strings will be used. As a matter of fact, 4 of the strings will be open. We're only going to use our fingers to fret 2 of the strings. And those strings will be the 5th string and the 4th string. And we're going to use, at least how I do it is, and I do it this way because it keeps me in position to play other related E family chords, basically, both major and minor. So I'm going to take my index finger and I'm going to put it, I'm going to take my middle finger and I'm going to put it on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. I'm going to take my ring finger and I'm going to put it on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. The other 4 strings will be open. That includes your low E string, which is your 6th string. We're going to go to the 3rd string, which is your G string, is open. The 2nd string, your B string, is open, as well as the 1st string, your high E string. And when we play it all together, that's your E minor chord. Again, note for note, I should say string for string. I'll go down 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's your E minor chord.